Coucou à vous, bonsoir mes amours, ça fait une semaine que j'ai hâte de vous retrouver. Et voilà, enfin, ce soir nous sommes ensemble pour un nouveau rendez-vous. Le rendez-vous de ce soir, il est vraiment décalé de toutes les façons. Je vous laisse en découvrir un tout petit peu avec le sommaire. On se retrouve juste après. Bisous par là.
Cette semaine, place à l'un de ces rares multitalentueux de notre pays. Notre invité s'appelle Aléné Mengue, journaliste, acteur, producteur, écrivain et aussi chanteur. Nous allons ensemble parcourir ses multiples casquettes. La tendance sera aux cheveux de feu dans le fashion hype, la nouvelle mode des stars camerounaises. Welcome à tous, ce soir encore, nous sommes 100% décalés.
Allez, je suis heureuse d'être avec vous encore une fois de plus ce soir pour un rendez-vous décalé. Je vous l'ai dit tout à l'heure, il est avec moi ce soir sur les antennes de Canal 2 International. Lui, c'est le réalisateur, acteur Aléné Mengue. Aléné Mengue, bonsoir.
Hello, good evening.
Bienvenue.
Thank you.
Très swag, comme d'habitude.
Thank you.
J'aime votre couleur, le blanc.
Thank you.
Et voilà, Aléné Mengue, tu vas te prêter au jeu, tu vas lever la main droite et tu promets à tous les téléspectateurs de répondre à toutes les questions qui te seront posées et surtout de dire la vérité.
I hit my right hand to accept intimidation on this program, but no one will come into me to make sure that that's the truth because I don't see any court here.
Accusé, levez-vous. Aléné Mengue, puisqu'il s'agit de vous, ce soir, vous êtes à la barre. Né dans une famille modeste, vous vous êtes intéressé au métier de l'art tout jeune, majoritairement influencé par votre père. Vous êtes un touche-à-tout. Vous avez flirté avec le journalisme, le cinéma et même le chant. Mais c'est en journalisme d'investigation que vous avez été formé. D'ailleurs, vous comptez à votre actif de nombreux films documentaires et de nombreux projets élaborés à l'instar de Good Morning Africa, diffusé sur Africa Magic, et l'ouverture de votre chaîne radio, l'Exit Radio dans la ville de Kumba. Après avoir occupé le poste de rédacteur en chef dans la chaîne de télévision DBS, vous vous lancez dans la production à travers la construction de ATS, la société de médias. Perfectionniste, vous l'êtes, et aventuré aussi. Vous explorez pendant longtemps le monde de la musique et votre voix vous a même permis de multiplier des fans. Et votre voix vous a même permis de conquérir des milliers de fans à travers le monde. Vous avez également choisi d'explorer le monde du cinéma, dans lequel vous avez une fois encore, mais pas de trop, brillé par votre talent, non seulement en tant qu'acteur, mais aussi en tant que producteur. On vous a retrouvé dans de nombreux films au rang desquels Sacrament en 2006, Return to Patibo que vous avez vous-même écrit parmi tant d'autres.
Shut that mouth. You drunk.
Multitalentueux et artiste polyvalent, vous l'êtes tout autant. Et vous serez sans aucun doute à la hauteur des chefs d'accusation qui pèsent sur vous ce soir dans Rendez-vous décalé. Bienvenue à Aléné Mengue.
En tout cas, Aléné Mengue, c'est tout, hein, sauf de l'intimidation. C'est tout sauf de l'intimidation. La première question est la suivante. Comment as-tu trouvé tes différentes prestations avec Anachou, Atem Ebaï et Freeze Javis, Atem Ebaï? La question est de Atem Ebaï Jerome.
I don't know. Is that gossiping? You call some other person's name that was working with STV, with ATS Productions. So, we don't work. He works at MTN. I work with ATS Productions. How do we meet? Oh, are you asking if we are friends or what?
Non, la question vient de Atem Ebaï Jerome.
Okay, then I think we have to start again. Tell me, just cut and start that. He's asking that word?
Comment est-ce que tu as trouvé tes différentes prestations avec no na yushu atem ebayi.
Okay. So it's Nauchu. You are calling Nauchu until I thought it was a new French language. You're talking about the baby actress, the best we have in the country.
Ah, ok. Et vous avez les photos de ces différents acteurs présentement sur vos écrans à la maison.
Oh my God. That's a wonderful child. And I think if you have parents like that who are like my parents, because I think what Atemibai and his wife are doing are exactly what our parents did for us in our home, where you get the talent of a little kid when that child is still very young, you know, and that child definitely you start seeing what the future of that child will be. I'm so close to that kid who was just 7 years old, or is it 8 years old, because that's how I was brought up. They come from a free home, what we used to watch on Cosby Show, where you could freely tell your daddy what you want to become. And the dad is an artist, the mom is an artist, just like where I come from, where my papa was an artist. And so it's free now to get an orientation for that kind of a kid. And a child who is so marvelous, who is already being contested for awards and movie, and if you hear how she speaks, eloquent, the boldness of that child, the little trick is we have a beef.
Voilà.
She and I quarrel a lot because we are too talented. So most of the times, despite the fact that she's just 8 years old, we quarrel a lot. She oversabis, I oversabi. At some points we have to fight, but the good thing about our beefing is that we're not like the beefing of the other people of the movie industry that we don't reconcile. We reconcile. We don't take our beefs to Facebook. We don't take our beefs to the social media. We just beef professionally.
Voilà, et malgré ces chocs de talent, vous parvenez toujours à donner le meilleur de vous. En tout cas, Alain Mengue, on a eu à la voir dans vos différents sketchs et vos différentes prestations avec justement ces deux fameux enfants. Alain Mengue, quelles sont tes expressions, quelles sont tes impressions en ce qui concerne l'industrie du cinéma camerounais? La question est de Manitabot Rachel.
All right. The truth is that this question keeps coming up. I don't know what to say. We have one that has gone so far but been destroyed by a little bit of no-so creation. We have another one that is behind but's got the population. You and I know that those who speak in French don't yet know how to do movie, but they got the TV stations and they make the noise. And they have the population to watch them. You and I know that for me to become a star here is going to be difficult because I don't speak like the new president of France. You and I know that. So, but then we have been able to work with other foreigners, Nigerian, Ghanaians, and when we succeed in doing it in other places, you take us. So for now, they are trying to blend two different focuses to one. If you are talking about the home movie industry by the Anglophones, for years it has moved and it has moved. It's got a stronger professional game today. But in front of the camera, we're still a bit childish. But the people at the back of the camera, we have wonderful technicians, which you could just draw a short film and each time it's going to work. Out of the box, which even happens in Hollywood and Nollywood, the Anglophone Cameroonian cinema industry is ready.
But,
on the other side, I don't know the negative competition that still goes on. You realize if you have to go now and play on the other side, the Francophone films, they still have a long way to go by me for some technical reasons. But with the new association, working with Anglophone producers, I think the blend is getting somewhere.
Voilà, justement, on dirait que tu as lu dans mes pensées, Alain Mengue, parce que j'allais justement demander, est-ce qu'on ne pourrait pas avoir dans un de tes films, par exemple, des acteurs qui viennent de la zone francophone? Nous sommes tous Camerounais. Est-ce qu'on ne pourrait pas, par exemple, avoir des acteurs francophones qui sont purement d'expression francophone dans tes films à venir?
That's exactly what we should be doing because we should be enjoying our culture, which is bilingualism. But you know how difficult it is to work with some people? Because our stories, our day-to-day stories, if you move in Douala, it's Franc-Anglais spoken. That's what we should be writing about. Our teams are still on focus on Nigerian teams or foreign teams. Our true stories are a population that is mixed between a marriage between Francophones and Anglophones, and those are the stories we should write. So voilà. I think someday, out of the bottlenecks that control our society, we'll get out of the box to face our society. To do like we write long love stories like any other person, but when we start touching integral stories that have something to do with our society, we'll get there. that you will speak in French and I'll answer in English.
En tout cas, on espère que ça va se faire. Et d'ici tôt, à l'aîné, voilà, parce qu'il est important de noter que le bilinguisme, c'est une richesse. Je le dis, et on a l'habitude de le dire, le bilinguisme, c'est une richesse pour un pays d'avoir deux langues nationales. La prochaine question est la suivante. Elle est de Nadia Sobé, qui demande pourquoi est-ce que tu es encore célibataire à l'aîné Mengue.
Let me see her face. Is she beautiful? Nadia Sobé.
Very.
Let me see her. Maybe she could be the one I'm waiting. But if you want to know the reality, women are very complicated. And if the last movie I did 2 weeks ago was, if you watch it, you get my story there straight. I am not the regular man on the street. I have those my kind of talents that sitting with me sometimes, you would understand some of those things. I was betrayed at 30 when I wanted to get married. It took 5 years for me to get out. It pushed my career, it destroyed me, it pushed me down. Between 30 and 35 years, I suffered in my life. I didn't do nothing right. I drank beer, I did because of a woman. At 35, you expect me to start growing. And then, it's not like that. I got a surprise, it's going to come on a moment from now. But let me be frank with you. I'm an investigative journalist. One of my documentaries is the amount of divorces we are getting in Bonaberry. So beware. It's not just the marriage. I don't also want to get back to the pages of why are you divorced. So I want to get the right girl. And tell her I'm open, but my girlfriend is wild.
Anne, voilà. Et Aléné Mengue, c'est vrai que tu n'es pas marié, mais tu as quelqu'un dans ta vie. Est-ce qu'on peut avoir son nom? Tu as parlé de ta petite amie tout à l'heure. Est-ce qu'on peut avoir son nom? Comment elle s'appelle?
How will you get to know her? She's far away. I don't mix up my public life with the social media or TV. I don't want you to go get her pictures tomorrow and start looking for her naked pictures to put online. I don't want you to start investigating a quiet girl who was just supposed to love me, to start pushing her in the business that I do. So if you realize, apart from what I do as comedy on Facebook, the rest of my private life is not known. People who go to look for me, they think I live in Boya, some think I live in Douala, some think I live in Yaoundé. It's because I know how to play the game on the social media. So that particular question, call police officers. My private life and my girlfriend has nothing to do with you.
Tu as promis de répondre à toutes les questions au début de l'émission.
Which means totally you did not understand English. I told you that I am on oath that I will lie you here today. And I also promised you that if you dare with me, so I didn't give you that oath.
Voilà, on va prendre une pause et on se retrouve juste après.
Dang 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 dang, Nadaba, original thing,
Santo.
Lighter. Yeah. Listen, baby girl, come give me your plenty fire. Not only you with me, I know me, I love it, 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 yeah,
yeah. Baby boy, si tu as le plenty fire, mais c'est pas compliqué, mais I love it, love it, love it, love it, mais I love it, love it, love it, love it.
They wanna see us down, we never give it up. Wanna see us fall, we never give it up. Some of them call me the party rider. Me, I tell nobody, say you gave it up. I wanna touch it, girl, you wanna cuddle. On every nipple down, see your body. I wanna touch it, girl, you wanna cuddle. On every nipple down, see your body. The way you move your body, you come from Ghana. I wanna be your taxi driver. Jaja, come be a soul provider. Sang dump on the beat, we no deny that. Baby girl, come give me your plenty fire. Not only you with me, I know me, I love it, 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 yeah,
yeah. Baby boy, si tu as le plenty fire, mais c'est pas compliqué, mais I love it, love it, love it, love it, mais I love it, love it, love it, love it, yeah. Oh mon joli, tu veux ça doux. Je suis une impolie, je veux que tu sois fou. Je te sens ça partout, partout. Le coup de rein de la Gabo, ma bébé, tu meurs un tour. Avec moi c'est fire, fire, fire. Tu vas lancer, lancer, lancer. Avec moi c'est fire, fire, fire. Tu vas lancer, lancer, lancer. Baby you, tu fais ça comme ça, je vais te mettre au va. Baby you, y'a pas de comme moi, c'est la version Kinder.
Baby girl, come give me your plenty fire. Not only you with me, I know me.
voilà de retour sur ce plateau. On continue à se marrer avec Aléné, c'est vraiment quelque chose de fou sur ce plateau. On continue avec notre interview. Aléné Mengue, tout à l'heure on parlait du monde des acteurs camerounais. Quels sont ceux du côté francophone avec qui tu aimerais vraiment avoir une collaboration? Quand tu regardes dans ta tête, quand tu les regardes jouer, quand tu as sûrement eu l'occasion de les regarder prester, voilà.
The truth is that I have been able to watch Mitumba them on Canada, on those series. I don't know their other names, and we have not had the opportunities to meet. Once you grow in a society where that society, first of all, minimizes you and they are up, sometimes you just stay on. So it's embarrassing to say that I know their faces, but not the names.
Aléné Mengue, tu pars de quoi pour devenir le comédien célèbre que tu es aujourd'hui? Tu pars de quoi?
You're asking if I talk of what? Tu parles de quoi? Can you bring that
Tu
down?
pars de quoi? Tu pars, c'est-à-dire partir. Pourquoi tu n'as pas choisi? On a plusieurs domaines, on a la musique. Je sais que tu es un très bon journaliste. Pourquoi est-ce que tu laisses le domaine de la communication pour devenir le comédien, l'acteur célèbre, réalisateur que tu es aujourd'hui?
I learned that word today. No, I didn't leave journalism. That's where I make money. Actors don't make money in Cameroon. I didn't leave music. That's where I make money. I got a studio. I have a TV studio like yours. I have a studio. I produce artists. No, cinema is instead my part-time. I do cinema because of challenges. And I'll tell you something about art. Most of the people have the gift of the gab in English. It's called gift of the gab. You use it in various ways. That's why most musicians are singers. Most singers are poets. Most poets are actors. So I do all. And I try to be on the fast lane where I see any money coming. I dash immediately to it and grab it. So if you got a good movie, you pay me, I'm coming there tomorrow. And in that movie, you call me, you want a video spot for publicity, I'm going there. And if I'm driving back home, I see a worthy thing for documentary, I shoot it and start my investigation. And if I get back home, there's a fun song to sing. I'll sing that song.
Voilà. Donc, vous comprenez avec moi, Aléné Mengue, c'est vraiment quelqu'un qui touche à tout.
Yes.
Voilà.
Yeah, that's exactly how our society should be.
Réalisateur, acteur, réalisateur. Et voilà, en parlant justement de réalisateur, ton dernier film Expression, est-ce que, Aléné Mengue, tu as été satisfait de l'accueil du public? Est-ce que quand tu regardes ce film, tu te dis, voilà, c'est un chef-d'œuvre, j'ai donné ce qu'il fallait?
Yeah, I should be frank with you. I am not a professional thief. If realizateur means the director of the movie, it is Musing Derek that directed it. I am the producer of the movie, which means I brought in money alongside another partner, Tessie, to put into the movie. Then we had a director who is Derek Musing. And I think we had a wonderful population. I'm not sure the cinema hall has ever been filled till today. I pass there always to find out if they are beating my records. No, my records have not been beaten yet at the cinema hall. I was so satisfied with the picture quality. I was so satisfied with the sound quality. And everybody that got there, you could watch them, find out from them. It shouldn't be me to appreciate my stuff, isn't it? They told me, and they may be flattering me, that it was good. So you find out from them. According to me, my things are always the best.
Non, pour avoir regardé le film Expression, c'est vraiment quelque chose de grand. Et on a par exemple notre film Return to Batibo, qui est un de tes chefs-d'œuvre. Parlons de ce film, Return to Batibo.
Yes, Return to Batibo, I actually directed that one, and I had a lot of time then. Directing takes a lot of energy and time. Now, being versatile means I cannot concentrate on that. Directing means you could take 6 months to prepare this to get the best. Now, that was a comedy film I will never forget because I had to play two major roles. I wanted to play two faces. I did the two faces. I was playing my uncle and I was playing myself. Warechan comes from Batibo, comes to Batibo, and Lies is from the United States, and clears all the chicks in the village. Clears all the money that he's doing documents for people to go abroad. That's exactly how the first Bintus who came to Cameroon from Europe were doing. So it was a mimicry of what bushfallers come to do. Then if you go to visit the bushfallers their own way and realize their own lifestyles, then you see the way they come to manipulate even greater people here in a mindset The only thing you would do is to produce a movie. So it's a simple social satire of societal ills.
Aléné Mengue, cette question particulièrement, elle vient de moi.
All right.
On sait que tu as des enfants qui ne vivent pas ici avec toi. Comment se passe la relation entre toi et la mère de ces enfants? Je sais que tu n'es plus avec elle. Je ne demande pas, j'affirme que tu n'es plus avec la mère de tes enfants. Comment se passe la relation entre vous? Quand tu voyages, tu vas aux États-Unis, tu reviens. On ne peut pas voir la mère, on ne peut pas voir les enfants et éviter la mère. Les choses se passent comment?
She's one of the most marvelous people I met. The Bible I have in my house, she gave me when I was a young man. She likes God a lot, and we still meet and talk. And I get to talk with her always. Unfortunately, you're talking about some person's wife, so it will be extremely out of lore to be talking about somebody's wife here. But my kids remain mine. But I have a right to see them. I'm a nice person. I'm close to everybody there. It's a wonderful question that brings me a lot of memories on how you have to just go visit them. But it's a wonderful people. They are always there for me. They have raised this kid. I mainly came at the later part of Keith's life. But I can only thank them. If you think any other thing will go out of that, no.
Et voilà, on va prendre une deuxième pause, juste le temps de parler de Fashion Hype. Et on se retrouve juste après.
Bienvenue dans le Fashion Hype. Cette fois, on parlera d'un style assez particulier, à savoir les cheveux teints, couramment appelés cheveux de feu. Honneur aux dames tout naturellement, on débute tout feu tout flamme avec la belle Gacha qui est une des toutes premières artistes camerounaises à opter pour ce look et par la suite nous avons Blanche Bailey la mime bailleuse. Comme d'habitude, quand une femme prend le devant, on a des hommes qui suivent. C'est ainsi que Ambé, l'originaire de Bamenda, le gars aux multiples tatouages, opte aussi pour ce look. Après une longue trêve parlant d'Ambé bien sûr, le gars a mis tout récemment un dernier single sur le marché intitulé « Reste là ». On reste bien sûr du côté de Nord-Ouest avec Magasco, le gars de Empire Company, qui lui aussi, dans son tout dernier clip, opte pour ce look. Bien d'autres artistes tels que Minx, Stan Leno, notre King Kong international, eux aussi, font partie de cette génération aux cheveux teints. Ce look jadis appelé look des voyous est devenu quelque chose de superbe, car il est important de noter que nos célébrités le portent très bien et j'ai même envie de dire que cette coupe de cheveux donne encore plus d'inspiration à nos artistes. On se dit à samedi prochain pour un autre Fashion Hype!
Allez, de retour, tout comme Tabo Mani Rachel, Nadia Sobé et bien d'autres personnes, vous pouvez laisser toutes vos questions en commentaire sur la page de notre émission Rendez-vous décalé. Le rendez-vous on continue avec notre rendez-vous. J'ai quelques photos, voici la première. Voici la première photo. Aléné Mengue, tu vas regarder cette photo, tu vas nous donner les circonstances dans lesquelles elle a été prise.
This is snapshot from video, the movie Return to Barbu. This is Were Chan. That's a limousine that we fabricated. We took two Carina 2, cut it into two. I made a long limousine with 3 doors. So this is that bush fella who comes home and thinks that every woman there is his. That's what they do, right? And our very dull girls who do not believe in genuine men around start following liars who have nothing to show out of here.
Comme bien des femmes d'ailleurs.
So it's a reality, despite the fact that it's been pushed on comedy. And I say it without fear. It goes back to all the little women here. You need to believe in yourself and you need to believe that you can do what a man can do. Look at the way they misplace you people. All you got is beauty? No. You need to have some integrity. That's the story about this crazy man who comes from the United States. And unfortunately, this man doesn't even come from the United States. He lies that he comes from the United States and he robs gunmen, that's what they want to hear. And he claims dollars. And and comes with a crazy limousine and impregnates the whole village.
Très belle histoire en tout cas, regardez le film et je suis certaine que vous allez aimer. La deuxième photo, la voici.
Yep, that's it. This is
On a
interesting.
Alenemenge à la silhouette très fine.
That is,
Si vous constatez,
that is where the cash is. I am an impresario, and it's gone. I started doing the impresario on radio and shows when I was as young as this. You see, I'm maybe 20 years or 19 there. But
Très jeune.
right here is not even impresario. This is a concert my father did for me when I was young. I'm doing rap here. You had it on Facebook, right? This is a rap R&B show that I organized at the Cultural Center in Bamenda in the 90s.
Alenemenge, parlons du rap. Est-ce qu'on peut avoir quelques flots?
Rap? Ah, come on, don't put those rappers out of the market. I don't want to go displace them.
Ah!
If I get into it right now, a lot of them will get out of the market.
Just a little
With
bit.
IBK, don't let me call the boys we wear. You want me to rap?
Yes,
Look, with
why
gray
not?
hair? Come on. Okay, you see, this is when I had not been baptized with alcohol. Look at how young I am, about 16. Oh my God. And I was still in
Très
Fanta.
jeune, très jeune.
With a red shirt and a yellow tie and a blue coat. Jesus. You're not nice.
Les couleurs.
You're not nice. And if you realize it should be a party, now the Fanta is very small. I'm sure it's one of those house parties of the 90s. But a lot of people say I look more handsome when I was teen, but I prefer this manly size I got now. Look how ugly I used to be.
Particulièrement cette photo, Aléné, quand tu la regardes, qu'est-ce que tu ressens, dis-nous? Comment tu te sens des années après?
I see a man that family didn't believe in, society didn't believe in. He wanted to be a rapper, he wanted to be a singer, he wanted to be a journalist, he wanted to be a comedian, a film actor. The family wanted him to be a medical doctor, and somewhere along the line, friends said he's an outcast. What is he doing like that? And suddenly, the wind of show business comes, and everybody comes back to say, wow.
Wow.
That's same here, because I remember this time I was a sadist. My mom never wanted it. My father wanted it. He gave me a piano. My friends took me as an outcast. My classmates, Henry Okwo, who is dead, would have been here. Rich knows him. He's the only one that stood by me and said, you could do what you're going to do. And this was that very bad moment, being an outcast in a society where everybody wanted to have a degree in geography or biology. Everybody wanted to have a degree in physics. And I was being forced also to have a degree in biology to be a medical doctor. Whereas the truth is, this is me. I just needed to talk to make money. But I spent a lot of school fees. But thank God, school fees is still helping me. I don't just talk, I talk sense.
Voilà, le plus important, c'est de croire en soi. C'est de croire en soi et de percer, voilà, d'insister sur ce que l'on veut devenir.
If you realize I'm frowning there, I don't frown today. So
Très sérieux.
I'm carrying my true face.
Les couleurs, une veste pratiquement.
It is reality. I am so sure I was suffering from what is called inferiority complex at that point. Because despite the fact that I still had that confidence in me, but inside me, I thought that maybe I was a misfit. You understand? And bring out that thing, I need to be very frank with you now. You see that shirt? That shirt there is not my shirt. That shirt is owned by my best friend, Layu Donat. When we were young, coming out from the middle class home, we didn't have a lot. And our parents wouldn't invest in shirts. Don, who came from a bourgeois home, did a lot of my childhood, like in dresses. We had to go do shows. We had to go. We'll go. He would dress us up. He was better off, and there is no. I should use this opportunity to thank Layu Donat very much for what he may have done without knowing when we were growing. That shirt used to be very expensive, but we were and share. It was his shirt. That coat is mine. As for that tie, it could have been my father's.
Et la chemise, la veste verte
and
et
if
la
I
cravate
tell you
jaune.
more about that shirt, you will do the second program. Behind that shirt, there's a big hole. Right behind there, it got torn. There's a big hole behind. We put on them, we cover with the coat. If you tell me You're paying me 5,000 to remove that code, you beat me up.
Allez, Adeline, c'est terminé pour ce soir. J'ai été ravie d'être en ta compagnie pour ce rendez-vous. On se dit certainement une prochaine fois. D'ici à là, porte-toi bien, Alain. Alain, tu te portes bien et tu seras toujours le bienvenu sur notre plateau. Voilà. Et justement, un petit mot pour la fin. Alain Mengue, quels sont les derniers projets du moment? Quels sont les films ou alors les comédies que tu es en train de mettre sur pied?
Project. I want to do, like last year, another tour. But this time I want to touch the European part of the world next month. If they permit the blackface to get there. And I'll do more of the comedy stuff on stand-up comedy and talk on some few shows. And I'm just from a movie project. I don't believe in a lot of movie projects again per year. If you do one or two, it's cool because there are other businesses you need to do. I'm from a very beautiful movie project that I'm a soldier. I had prayed to be a soldier in a movie and a commander. This commander who's got all the power in the office, but at home, Madame deals with him. There's another commander there. So now, after doing this movie, I know that I have taken another step. I wanted to go take another step. I wanted to go. There's been so many challenges. So I will wait for this movie to be out. But right now, I'll do other things. And you know, this is mid-year. In 2 months, according to programs, this is summer in Europe and America. The money is that way. Then when we get back, the money is on weddings. There will be shows that they will give us 500,000, 1 million to come and say hello. So it's on program. This year is occupied. No more cinema for this year.
Allez, mes loulous, on se dit à samedi prochain. D'ici à là, n'oubliez pas de liker notre page et de laisser vos questions en commentaire. Je vous aime, la vie est belle, gardez le sourire.
You're beautiful, oh.
Thank you.
Juste pour la nuit, oublions les soucis, bébé. On ne vit qu'une fois dans la vie, bébé. Je ferai le bonheur de ta vie, hey, hey. Je ferai le bonheur de ta vie, hey, hey. Juste pour la nuit, oublions les soucis, bébé. On ne vit qu'une fois dans la vie, bébé. Je ferai le bonheur de ta vie, hey, hey. Je ferai le bonheur de ta vie, hey, hey. Quand tu pleures, moi je pleure, hey. Qu'est-ce qui va pas? La vie est si dure, mon chéri, oh, oh. Mais ça ira, mon bébé, yeah, hey. Mon amour, oh, oh, oh. Toi-même tu sais ça ne vaut pas la peine.